My experience with the Cardinal Coupe has definitely been a lot of fun against a whole lot of other pricier sports cars.
Because the Cardinal is purpose-built, it's a lot lighter than a production car is. It's also got much more advantageous suspension geometry. You know, if you're in a production-based car, even if you're in the top-of-the-line version, you're still carrying a lot of the limitations that are baked into a production chassis, something that's made to be assembled quickly on a production line. You really don't get all the benefits of a purpose-built, bespoke car.
This car's got really great handling, and it really conforms to a variety of driving skills.
It's really rewarding to drive. It speaks back to quite a bit, a lot more than most people are going to be used to. It gives really predictable feedback. You know, if you've got a big slide going or something like that in a heavier car, it's going to take forever to get that thing under control. This thing, a big mistake still means a small correction.
The Coupe's got a Ford 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine in it that puts out 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Both the rear end and the transmission will easily handle 700 pound-feet of torque, so it'll pretty much take anything you throw at it.
Really high performance for the weight and for the cost. Really simple in terms of the control system, the electronics, the wiring, and able to withstand a real beating on track without a ton of maintenance and a ton of investment.